Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Costco Auto program. So first of all, you need to come here on costcoauto.com. Now over here, first of all, you need to enter your zip code in order to see the vehicles and participating dealers in your area. So as you can see, I have these two brands available. So you need to choose whether you are looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, and then you need to simply select the make, the model, the trim you are interested. So then you need to review the available Costco member pricing and current incentives. If an eligible offer is available, you can register with your Costco membership information in order to receive your member certificate. After that, you need to also choose the Costco program, which is Costco Auto Program Approved Dealer. The program then connects you with a trained and certified dealer contact who can basically provide the pre-arranged Costco member price and discuss available inventory. So when you visit the dealership, you need to bring your Costco membership card and the digital or printed certificate if you have registered for an incentive. Just make sure that you work with the authorized dealer contact listed on your certificate only. You can then review the vehicle, complete your purchase or lease, and receive any eligible Costco member incentive in addition to the pre-arranged pricing. So the manufacturer incentives may also be available depending on the vehicle and the offer. So that's how you can use the Costco Auto program. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.